Ever wonder if you're leaving money on the table by just letting your cash sit in a standard savings account? When I first started looking at CDs with Ally, I realized that if you just pick a random term and forget about it, you're missing out on some serious optimization. I've spent the last couple of years fine-tuning my approach to get the absolute highest yield possible while keeping my money accessible, and here is exactly how you do it. The biggest mistake I see is people treating a CD like a set-it-and-forget-it vault. To maximize returns, you have to use a strategy called CD laddering. Instead of putting, say, $10,000 into one single 5-year CD and locking it away forever, I split my cash into chunks. I opened a 1-year, a 2-year, a 3-year, and so on. This way, a portion of my money matures every single year. When that first 1-year CD finishes, I don't just spend it, I roll it into a new 5-year CD at the highest current rate. Eventually, you end up with a stack of 5-year CDs, which always offer the best rates, but you still have a rung on your ladder hitting maturity every 12 months for cash flow. Another trick I used is the Raise Your Rate CD. This is unique to Ally and it's a lifesaver in an economy where rates are shifting. I opted for the 2-year term, which gives me one bump-up option. If Ally raises their rates for my term after I've already locked in, I just click a button in the app and my interest rate jumps up to match the new market high. It completely removes the buyer's remorse of locking in too early. If you're worried about needing the money sooner, don't overlook the no-penalty CD. The rate is usually a bit lower than the 5-year high yield, but I used this for my in-between fund. You can withdraw your full balance plus interest anytime after the first 6 days. It's essentially a high-yield savings account on steroids because your rate is guaranteed for the term, but your liquidity stays at nearly 100%. Finally, pay attention to the 10-day best rate guarantee. Whenever I open a new CD or one of mine renews, Ally automatically gives me the highest rate they offer for that term and balance tier within the first 10 days. I also make sure to take advantage of the loyalty reward. They typically give you a 0.05% APY boost just for renewing an existing CD into a new one. It sounds small, but over 5 years on a large balance, that's free money you'd lose if you moved it elsewhere. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.